Hello?
Yes.
Hello, I'm Shola.
Can you mute
Hello?
YouTube, please? Can you mute YouTube?
Okay, yeah. Like I've been watching your video. I have so many questions.
All right. Are you a Muslim, my friend?
Yeah, I'm a Muslim.
Okay. What do you like to say to us?
Yeah, like you're giving people some statements which is not true about Islam.
Okay. What
So
is not true? Like what? Give an example. I said which is not true.
like someone called you the other time. If you can remember one guy, Latif, that you gave him a hadith, something like that. You were arguing about it. I'm not even for that. Anyway.
What is the hadith I gave him?
Like maybe 73 something. I just saw it on.
And this is not true?
Is that?
What is your proof is not true?
No, I don't know much about.
No, didn't I show in the screen that this is true? I mean, I'm showing what I say. Here we go. It's in front of you. Does it say that this is Sahih Hadith?
Hello?
Yeah. Does it say in the front of you in the screen that this is Sahih Hadith? So how you say this is not true?
Let me see the raise.
Okay.
Okay, now I'm seeing it.
All right.
No? Yeah. He said great Sahih Darussalam.
Okay.
I think you understand the word Darussalam about that.
My friend, Darussalam is the printing company. It's not. This is not a
Thank you
prophet. Okay, but this is.
Thank you.
But the grade is Sahih. It's not Darussalam. This is the print of the book. Now, is that Sahih or not?
Yeah. To this, according to this thing.
Okay. Now, do you have a proof that this hadith is not Sahih?
Hello?
Do you have a proof that this hadith is not Sahih?
Yeah, the guy quotes a Quran verse for you, which you ignored.
The guy what? He quote what?
Quran chapter 3 verse 85. Can you read, please? Can you put it on the screen?
My friend, chapter what?
3 verse 85.
It's chapter 3
verse 85.
Verse 85. Okay, here we go. Okay, read for us what 85 saying. And what does have to do with my topic?
Yeah, I don't know what we're arguing about. That's why I said I'm not for that. I'm not even about that. My own is for the another question. I just go back to what the guy said. I'm telling you what the guy said.
Why you are saying to me? No, hold on. You said to me, go to chapter 3, verse number 85. What this chapter is about?
That is what the guy quotes for you. If anyone desire a religion other than Islam,
who care? I mean, this is stupid. If anyone desire any religion other than Islam is not accepted. But this is a lie, because the Quran in different verse in the Quran it says that those who they are Christians and those who they are Jews and those they are Sabi and they go to heaven. So how he say only those? Huh?
Your point. Let me see.
Oh, you are saying you do not know it?
No, I don't. I want to see what you're saying.
Okay, here we go. Chapter 2, verse number 62.
Okay.
It says those who they are Sabian and those who they are Jews and those who they are Christians, they'll go to heaven.
Let me see. I'm waiting. Please let me read the Arabic text. I don't like this.
Do you know Arabic?
Yeah, very well.
All right, go ahead, read it.
Let me see. It's not coming on my screen.
You see it now?
Yeah.
Okay, read it for us in Arabic.
من الذين حملوا الذين حادوا النصارى الصابئين من آمن بالله ومن آخر ولا خف ولا الصالحين حجر قليلا.
So isn't this is a contradiction? How one verse says that if you are not a Muslim you will not go to heaven, Allah don't accept other religion except Islam, and then here it says if you are a Christian, if you are a Jew, if you are a Sabian, you go to heaven. Are you there? Oh, let me see. Hello. Hello. Okay, call me back when you I don't know what happened. You don't have answer. I don't know, but this is a clear contradiction because the Jews are not the Islam and the Christians are not Islam and Sabian are not Islam. All right, my friend. So what is your answer? Don't you see the contradiction here? How one verse says Allah accept only Islam as a religion, and then He accept the Christian and the Jews and the Sabians to go to heaven?
Yeah, please. I want you to understand this. I love you. I love you with something. Look at what ended it. It says, indeed, those who believe. I want to tell you the English now. I love this thing you brought now. I said, the other one says, Quran chapter 3, verse 85, says, anybody that desires any other religion, aside from Islam, will never be accepted of you. Now, the question is, what is Islam? What is Islam?
What is Islam?
Now, the second thing is,
what is Islam? What is Islam?
Thank you. According to Quran chapter 2, verse 208, can we read that? Quran chapter 2, verse 208. We are still coming back to this. I want to explain something.
Verse what? Verse what?
208. 208.
208. Okay.
That's the definition of Islam.
You're the one who called me. You're the one who called me yesterday, right? And your voice was cutting off.
No. I didn't call you yesterday.
Okay. 208.
Yeah.
Hold on. Okay. This is 208. Okay. And?
Yeah, with you.
And?
208. It hasn't come to my screen.
Read for us as long as you know the verse. You know, do not need to wait for it.
Yeah, that's it's coming. This is 205. It's coming. I don't want to say, because Allah said anybody that says something contrary to what is in the Quran will be punished. So I don't want to be punished.
Okay.
Or you believe, enter into Islam completely and perfectly, and do not follow the footsteps of Satan. Indeed, he is too clear an enemy. Do you understand that anybody who enters into Islam is a Muslim? Do you understand? That is Muslim. Now let's go back to that 2 verse 62. Let me explain that to you.
Explain it to us. Go ahead.
No, that it says among the Christians. It is not all the Christians now. Among the Christians,
no. It doesn't say among. Show me the word among.
Yeah, let's finish.
You said you speak Arabic. You said you speak Arabic. I like you to show me the word among. And if you show it to me, I'm going to shave my mustache.
Quran chapter 2. Let's go back to it. I want to explain. It is Arabic. I love the Arabic than the English.
My friend, don't waste my time. I know Arabic. You do not know Arabic. You know nothing about Arabic. Now show me the word from those some of them. They are the one who believe. Some of them. Show me the word some.
The number one is this. It says, and look at it very well.
My friend, don't look at it. You see, here we go. You are in the corner. I want you to show me where it says that some of the Christians he is talking about. I want you to show me where it says some of the Christians. Go ahead, show me.
Now, why are you talking like this? Let me talk to you. It says in Al-Ladina. Are you with me?
Yeah.
Al-Ladina. Nosoro.
What? Okay.
Wasabihin.
Okay.
Wasabihin. Out of all these people you have mentioned, did you?
Where is the sum? You told me this is about some. No. Hold on. Where is the word some? Where it says that some of them?
That's what I want to tell you. Man amana billahi wal yawmal akhir. Man amana billahi. Anybody that believes, you understand, in Allah and the day of judgment. Do you understand? Voila. Do you understand what I'm saying now?
Listen, Abdul. Do
you understand?
I don't like kids talk. Where it says some, it says those who are Jews and those who they are Christian and those who they are Sabian and those who believe in Allah and those who believe in the judgment day and those who do righteousness, they will go to heaven, all of them. This is what it says. It doesn't say. It doesn't say some.
It says man amana billahi wal yawmal akhir.
My friend, no. Okay, hold on. According to your Quran, the Jews, they believe in Allah, right?
No.
What are you talking about?
No. Yeah, Quran chapter 2.
Hold on,
Quran
hold on.
chapter 2,
So
verse
the Quran.
1. Can you read that?
Okay. According to the Quran, the Jews are not believers in Allah.
I read Quran chapter 2, verse 1.
I'm asking you. Hold on. Are you saying to me the Quran confirmed that the Jews don't believe in Allah?
I want to talk to you, please. Can you?
I am asking you. I want to give me a confirmed answer, and then you give me the reference. Are you saying clearly that the Jews don't believe in God? His name is Allah. Hold on. Let's listen. I don't like kids talk. We are adult. So I want you to confirm to me. I'm asking you certain questions. I want a certain answer. Are you saying to me, according to Islam, according to the Quran, the Jews and the Christians don't believe in Allah?
Yeah, they didn't.
They don't.
They didn't believe in Allah.
Okay, let me show you. Hold on. So you are saying to me that your Quran is a corrupt book, because the Quran says that even the Christian believe that Jesus himself is Allah.
Hello, see the statement you just said. You just make an insulting statement to me. Why will you say my Quran is? Have I ever abused your Bible? Why will you tell my Quran that it's a corrupt book?
Abdul, don't change the topic. Don't change the topic. How you say to me? How you say to me? The Quran. You are the one who said the Quran does not teach that the Christians and the Jews believe in Allah, but yet your Quran saying, hold on.
You bring hello.
Don't play games. But your Quran says that the Christian believe that the Messiah, he is Allah himself. How you say to me they don't believe in Allah, and everybody heard you, and I ask you to repeat the question 4 times, and you confirm
I want to give
me,
you proof now. I want to give you proof.
Answer me. The verse in the front of you, it says those who believe لقد كفر الذين قالوا إن الله هو المسيح ابن مريم, they are kuffar. Does it say that?
Thank you very much. This is a good point. This is a good point. لقد كفر الذين قالوا إن الله هو المسيح ابن مريم. You understand that anybody that says, look at the translation, you can understand that anybody that believes, look at it, it's a kafar. That the Christians now, they are kafar. That is according to this ayah. That anybody that says that Jesus, the son of Mary, is God. This is the interpretation. You see?
No, it doesn't say that. It doesn't say that. It doesn't say that. It says no. It doesn't say that. It doesn't say that. It says those who believe in that the Messiah is Allah. I asked you, do the Christian believe in Allah according to the Quran? You said no.
Yeah, if you believe that Christian Jesus is Allah,
my friend, this is another question. I asked you, do the Christian believe according to the Quran that they believe in Allah? You said no. Listen. There's no real Allah. Don't play games now. There's no real Allah. There's no fake Allah. I ask you, did I ask you to believe in the fake Allah or Allah? No. I asked you, according to the Quran, do the Christians and the Jews believe in a God? His name is Allah. You said no.
I said they did not believe in Allah. Christian doesn't believe in Allah.
So why the Quran saying that the Messiah is Allah?
The Quran says that the Christians. It's because you are reading this. Let's go back to Arabic. Leave the English. See what the Arabic is saying. Like, do you know Arabic?
Do you know Arabic? Do you know Arabic? Do you know Arabic reading?
I'm reading something.
Do you know Arabic? Do you know Arabic? Do you know Arabic? Do you know Arabic? Hold on. Okay. If I show you the interpretation for this verse in Arabic, are you willing to read it?
Give me now. Okay. It's not here before. It's here before it was.
I'm asking you. If I give you interpretation for the verse in Arabic, are you willing to read it?
Hello? Are you ready? Are you ready to do
something? Are you willing to read it? If I give you the interpretation for the verse. If I give you, hold on, stop talking. You know, you people are crazy. You talk too much. I'm asking you. If I give you the interpretation,
is this what Bible tells you?
Yes, this is what the Bible teach me. This is what the Bible teach me, to expose liars like you. I'm asking you, do you speak Arabic? Do you speak Arabic? Do you speak Arabic? Do you speak Arabic? Shut up. Do you speak Arabic? Yes or no? Say yes.
You said?
Do you speak Arabic?
Yeah.
Okay. So if I show you the interpretation for this verse in Arabic, are you willing to read it and translate?
Yeah. Now let's go.
Okay, and you will accept it.
I will interpret. If you give me a wrong interpretation, I will let you know. What are you saying? Or what is the meaning of that? I go to Arabic school. I know what I'm saying. Do you know anything about Islam? You don't know anything.
Listen, okay. Let us see. I'm saying to you, if I show it to you, do you accept it? Yes or no?
Let's go.
Okay, hold on. Let's go. Let us go. Okay, let's go. Everybody will laugh in a second. All right.
Everybody will laugh.
Chapter 5, verse number 17. Yeah, everybody will laugh in a second. Hold on. Which interpretation would you like me to show you?
Yeah.
Which one?
I'm waiting. I'm waiting.
Go ahead.
This is Jalalain.
This is not a Jalalain.
This is what?
Do you want a Jalalain? I will show you a Jalalain. It's up to you. What do you want? You said you know how to read Arabic. Read. I'm waiting for you.
Yeah. Yeah, come down.
Read. Start reading. What are you doing?
No?
Read for me. Read.
I'm waiting. I'm waiting.
It's in the screen. Show me. Read for me. Go ahead.
Yeah, you said you want to read? Read for us.
Yeah,
Oh,
read
the
interpretation. You said you know Arabic.
Hello? Hello? Are you with me?
Here we go. I hear
Hello?
you, my friend. You hear me very well. Come on.
Now,
Read.
I said, hello. You said you want to read for me, that you're going to interpret for me. I said, go, let's go. We are here. We are reading.
Okay, read it. Go ahead.
God.
Read it.
Why are you here? Let's go.
What would go? We are here. I'm waiting for you. Read it. Here we go. The interpretation in front of
I'm
you. Read
waiting
it.
also. I'm waiting.
What with me? You're the one who I asked you, do you know Arabic? You said yes. You said let us go. Here we go. Read for me.
Of course.
Okay, read it for me. Do you want to call a friend?
Al-Masih ibn Maryam.
Hold on. Why are you asking somebody? Why you ask somebody else to read for us? Why you are asking some? Hold on. Why you are asking somebody else to read for you? Abdul, this is not even you. Potato, this is a recording. Potato, this is not you. Read for me. Don't play a sound. Don't play a recording. Read for me.
I'm recording you also, if you don't know.
No, read for me. Why you are playing for me a recording? I said to you, read.
Are you with me?
I am asking you, read. Why you are playing for me a recording?
I said you should. I saw you should read also. You didn't.
You said you know Arabic. You are a liar. I am getting you busted. Read for me what is in the screen.
Wait. I know you so much. This is how you argue. You look for a point and you stay there. Now our argument now was not this.
Abdul, read the interpretation. I said to you, do you know Arabic? You claim to know Arabic, and you said let us go. It is you who will read for us. So admit that you are a liar. Admit you are a liar, and I will let it go. Admit that I was lying. I do not know Arabic. Say it.
Hello. What do you want to derive from this?
Say it.
What do you want to derive from this?
Well, I want you to read the interpretation.
Thank you. I said, take me to Quran. This is tafsir.
Shut up, you idiot donkey. So what tafsir? Is it tafsir if you're a scholar? Aren't you the one who said to me, let us go? Do you see the cowards? Why you are calling me? If you are, you have to admit that you did lie, that you speak Arabic.
Hello?
Say in the front of everybody, I was lying. I do not know Arabic. Say it.
Don't tell me that.
Say I was lying. I do not know Arabic. Please say it.
Should I tell you what do you know?
Then read it. Then read it. I asked you, do you know Arabic? You said yes. I asked you, do you know Arabic? You said yes. I want you to read. Stop talking, wasting my time. Like you are like a pregnant woman in the delivery room. When we get you in the corner, you start screaming. No, I want you to please don't waste my time and your time. You claim that you speak Arabic. I am showing you Arabic in the screen. Hello? Read it for us.
Hello. This is what you gave me now. Hello, what you gave me just now. It is a tafsir. Do you agree with me?
I'm showing you tafsir. You're a scholar, don't you? I asked you which one you want.
It's not a tafsir.
I asked you which one you want.
Take me to Arabic Quran. You gave me translation. I said take me to Arabic Quran. You brought.
Get lost, donkey. Liar. I am here to spank you. I asked you and you said you speak Arabic. When you read for me the Quran, by the way, they don't read Quran. They are not reading Arabic. They are liars. They have Quran written in their own language. to resemble the sound of the Quran. They do not know Arabic. And now I show them the interpretation. They don't want to read it. Hey Kareem, how are you?
Fine, my friend. And how are you?
I'm fine. Your voice is cutting. Please go close the apps if there's many.
Okay, wait, connection.
Okay, let me ask you, Kareem or Muhammad, whatever your name. According to the Quran, was the Nasara their God is Allah? Yes or not?
Repeat the question.
According to the Quran, the Nasara, which the Quran mentioned their name, do they believe in Allah according to the Quran? Yes or no?
Some of them not.
Who are the some who don't believe in Allah? Can you show me? Can you show me one verse? It says that some of the Nasara don't believe in Allah.
It is the verse where Allah says, only the Nasara who believe in Allah will give their rewards in
My
the
friend, show me where it says. Show me where it says some of the Nasara don't believe in Allah. I want to see the verse.
Which verse?
You just said that some of the Nasara don't believe in Allah. Some, right? You said some. Okay, where does the verse says some of the Nasara don't believe in Allah?
This is understanding from the verse that I quote you.
Which
because
one?
Allah said.
Which one?
The verse where I don't remember
They don't even know the Quran. Christian Prince have to remind them. الذين هادوا, correct? The Nasara and those who they are the Jews. Okay. So where it says some of them there.
Show me the verse and I will
You see, but they keep saying to me, show me. You know the verse. You know you speak Arabic. Where it says the word some there. Where it says some of them. Can you show me?
Can you read the verse?
It's in front of you.
Wait, because the connection I don't see.
Okay, I will read for you then. Here we go. I'll read for you. As long as you cannot see it, it's taking time. إن الذين آمنوا والذين هادوا والنصارى والصابئين ومن آمن بالله واليوم الآخر وعمل صالحا فلهم أجرهم عند ربهم ولا خوف عليهم ولا هم يحزنون. Now, where is the word some?
You see when Allah says men, it's some men. Whoever believes.
He's adding wa. Do you know what wa? Do you know what wa mean? What wa mean? What wa mean? What wa mean? Okay, what wa mean? Okay, what wa mean? Okay, let me ask you. Okay, hold on. Let me show you the stupidity of the Muslims. So when the Quran says, hold on, when the what condition? What condition? The condition is if you are a Jew, if you are a Nasara, if you are a Sabian, and if you believe in Allah, if you believe in the last day, you are going to go to heaven. Correct?
You must believe in Allah.
All right, okay, but according to the Quran, all the Quran says even the Nasara who will go to hell, they believe in Allah. They are mushrikeen.
But not in Allah.
Do you know what mushrikeen mean? No, they believe in Allah. Believe in Allah. Show me one verse says that the Christians, the Nasara here, and the Jews don't believe in Allah. Show me.
This verse.
What's wrong with those donkeys? Abdul, listen. Is it the Quran says that those who believe that Allah, they worship beside Allah, the Messiah, they are kuffar?
Yes.
Okay, that's mean they believe Allah and the Messiah.
So what?
So what do you mean, so what? You were saying to me that this is some. With the question was, do the Christians, according to the Quran, the Nasara, do they believe in Allah? Yes or no? So the Quran confirmed that all the Nasara and all the Jews, they believe in Allah, but they worship beside Allah someone else, correct?
This is why they will not go to heaven.
Abdul, this is another question. The Quran teach, focus with me. Moroccan people, stop taking hashish. Listen, Abdul. Does the Quran says that Uzair is the son of Allah, and the Christian they say the Messiah is the son of Allah? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, that means they believe in Allah too.
You will go to hell.
You're stupid. What's wrong with you?
You will go to
Okay,
hell.
this is not the question.
You
This is
will go
not
to
the
hell.
question, you donkey. This is not the question. The question is, your brother before you, he was saying, and I ask you the same question. Do the Nasara, according to the Quran, believe in Allah or not? You answer me saying some.
They believe in Allah, but also with a son of God.
That's it. That's what I was saying. So they believe in Allah. Just go, man.
So what?
Just shut up. So what? This is the whole point. You're a stupid donkey before you, and we asked you, do the Nasara and the Jews believe in Allah? I did not ask you if they believe in Allah alone. I said, do they believe in Allah? You said no, some. The other donkey says all of them don't believe in Allah. How they believe he is the son of Allah, you idiots, but you don't believe in Allah? How the Jews believe that Uzair is son of Allah, and the Christian believe that Isa is the son of Allah, but yet they don't believe in Allah? I mean, who is the donkey here? My printer is out of a certification. I cannot give more certification to Muslims. We need more ink. Okay, Muhammad, I want to give you opportunity to make us Muslim. Give me something good about your prophet or about the Quran to make us believe that this is a book of God.
Let me refute that your points, your last point. Can I answer about
So what do you mean
Allah?
refute? You agreed with me. You agreed that the Jews and the Christian, according to the Quran, they believe in Allah. Yes or no?
Let me respond.
Yes or no? You agreed.
If someone, let me respond. It is not just yes or no. Let me explain it more.
I am not asking you if they believe in Allah alone or not. I'm saying to you, Abdul, focus, stop hashish. According to the Quran, is the God of, according to the Quran, is the God of the Jews and the Christians is Allah. Is he considered as a God for them? Yes or no?
If you believe that Allah has a son, then you don't believe in Allah, because Allah tells you that he has.
This is not the question, you donkey. This is not. You see why I call you donkeys, Muslims? I am not asking you if they believe someone beside now. I'm asking you, is they have a God? His name is Allah. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, so shut up. So what are you trying? You want to refute me? And that's why I'm quoting for you. You Muslims are stupid when you don't listen. We are debating about what? Your Muslim friends, they are saying from Nigeria. Shut up.
I don't listen to
the Muslims, I don't care if you listen or not. Why you call me before you listen? Listen first before you call. Listen, this is not my fault. So I asked you, and this is why I asked you, do the Christians believe in God? His name is Allah. You said to me some. That's stupid of you to say. No, there's no some. The Quran confirmed that all the Nasara believe in God. His name is Allah. The only difference is that they believe that Allah and they believe in the Son of Allah. The same as the Jews. They believe in Allah and the Son of Allah. Correct?
If you go to Tafsir, you will see that it's a part of. It's not all Christians.
Doesn't matter. This is not the question. Don't be an idiot. Don't be an idiot. This is not the question. The question is, according to the Quran, do all the Nasara believe in a God? His name is Allah. Yes or no?
Yes, but what is the
Shut up then.
Allah?
Don't call me again, man. I mean, those people are really making me sick. Don't call me ever again. I mean, how many times I need to repeat? I lost my voice. Liars. And by the way, let me get into the good news. We don't believe in anything have to do with Allah. Your God, Allah, is nothing but an idol. And we are not Nasara. And let me tell you another news. Your prophet is a big fat liar. There's not a single Jew believing a guy. His name is Uzair. He is a son of Allah. And I challenge you to find me a verse from the Old Testament saying that there is a guy. His name is Uzair. He is a son of Allah. Your God is nothing but a scam. His name is Muhammad. Let us see. We have some Abdul trying to call. Hello.
Hello.
Yes.
My name is Olaiton from Nigeria.
You're welcome, my friend. How I can help you?
I want to contribute to your program. I've been following you for some while, and I want to do. I mean, my question will based on the Bible itself, because I'm interested. I'm very, very, very interested in the Bible, and I would like to discuss with you and to give me the answer to my question with the reference from the Bible.
Are you a Muslim?
Yeah, I'm a Muslim.
Okay. Which Bible you want to read from? The Bible of the Christians or the Bible of Allah?
What do you have? Which of the Bible do you have with you there?
I'm asking you which Bible you have.
I have King James.
Okay,
I have,
no, no. Okay, why,
I have Revised Standard.
Why you don't ask me from the Bible of Allah?
You said?
Why you don't ask me the question from the Bible of Allah?
I don't know. Maybe I don't have any Bible. The Bible that I know that is existing is the Bible that I just mentioned to you now.
I know, but according to the Quran, it is Allah who sent the Injil, correct?
I don't want to debate on the Quran. I'm not debating about the Quran.
I'm not debating about the Quran. I'm debating about
it
the
is
Bible
the
now.
question. It is the question I'm talking about. I'm not here to debate now. I'm not asking questions concerning the Bible.
I'm not debating you. I'm asking you.
Okay, let me ask my question.
You said to me you have a question about the Bible, correct?
Let me throw my question first. So you give me an answer from the Bible.
Because I want to understand which book you are going to read for me from. Why you don't want to read for me from the book of Allah, which is the Injil?
Now, okay, let us do it in this way. Before me here presently, I have Revised Standard Bible, I have Good News Bible, I have New International Version of the Bible.
Is that the book of Allah?
I have let me learn. Which of these Bibles is original?
None of them.
None of them is original.
None.
But why are you claiming? Claiming to be right?
Let me ask you the same question. Let me ask you the same question. Which one of the Quran, of the following Quran, is original? Yusuf Ali or Bittal? Hold on. Let me show you. Let me show you how naive you are, my friend. Those what you have is a translation.
I am your
Those are a translation. Hold on. Yeah, you asked me a question. Let me answer you. You asked me a question.
I want answer to my question.
You asked me a question. Let me answer you. You asked me a question.
So you cannot ask me any question because I'm
you asked me a question. Let me answer you. Can I answer you, please? Can I answer
you? Want to answer me? I need your answer from the Bible.
Okay, let me answer you. Let me speak, man. What's wrong with those Abdul? Let me answer you. Let me answer you. You idiot. We have the Hebrew original. We have the Aramaic original. We have the Greek original. I am asking you now the same question. Where the Quran, the original?
What I'm saying, I'm not talking about Quran. I don't want to.
I am not talking about Quran too. You are the one who's asking about original. I'm asking you. We have the original. We have the Aramaic. Abdul, don't be a donkey. Don't be a donkey. Stupid. Stupid. You don't have Quran. You don't have a Quran. Hold on. You don't have a Quran. I challenge you to show me the Quran. Where is the Quran?
I'm telling you that you are a Christian, right?
Where is the Quran? I have the original Bible. I have the Aramaic. I have the Hebrew. I have the Greek. This is the original. Where is your Quran? The Quran in the front of me, according to the Muslims, is the Quran of Uthman. Is the Quran of Uthman? Is that correct?
I'm asking you a question from your book. I'm not talking about Quran here.
There's nothing called my book, you idiot. This is the book of Allah according to the Quran. So why you don't give me a question from the book of Allah, which is the Bible? I want you to show me the Bible. Are you saying to us that your God Allah is a stupid God? He could not keep his book.
You understand Quran?
I understand your Quran. I understand what it's saying. It's in the front of us. It says that Allah is the one who sent the Injil. Did your God Allah send? He sent the Injil? Yes or no?
Do you understand Quran?
Yes, sure. Do you?
You do?
Yes, do you?
Okay, you do. If you understand the Quran, I myself that I'm talking to you now, I'm not here to debate or to ask any question concerning the Quran. Just leave me and leave the Quran.
No problem. I'm not debating about the Quran now. I'm asking you. You want to debate me about? Hold on. You want to talk about the Bible, right? I answered you. I said to you, we have many translation, the same as you have many translation to the Quran. Now, the same question you asked me, I have the right to ask you. Where is the real Quran?
You are not in any position to ask me any question.
Why not? Why not? No, I am here. I have the position. I am the one who have a position. The same the question you asked me, I answered you. We have the Bible in Aramaic, we have the Bible in Hebrew, we have the Bible in Greek, and this is the original. Now, where we can find the original Quran?
Translation.
Where
from the English translation?
No, those are translation because you are a donkey. You do not know the language. This is the whole point. So this is not. This is not the. Abdul, do you know the Quran? Do you know the Quran?
Okay.
Do you read the Quran in your language or in English? Do you read the Quran? Do you read the Quran in the Arabic language? Yes or no?
From you, and you are telling the person a donkey. Is this Christianity you are propagating? You are preaching?
Yes, because the Quran, you're a prophet, he called you donkey. Yes, your prophet, he called you a donkey. Yes. Let me show you. Hold on, let me show you. Here we go. Are you saying your prophet is a bad man? Your prophet, he called you a donkey. Read it. Read it. Hold on. Shut up. Did your prophet say you are a donkey? Yes or no? Did your prophet say you are a donkey or not?
I can join you in your arrogance and abusive.
It's your prophet. He said you are a donkey. Read it. Muhammad, he said, does any one of you who raise his head before the Imam not fear that Allah may turn his head into a head of a donkey? And actually Muhammad is right, because you are asking me if the translation of the Bible is the original, and you should know that this is a translation, you donkey. Doesn't say there this is translation. When you say to me, I have the book, it's called etc., the book, etc., etc., this is a translation, you idiot. I mean, how silly are you? And this is the question you brought to me. So you squeeze your ass for an hour to call me, to say to me, I have King James version, I have English translation version, I have Aramaic translation version, I have this is a translation, you donkey. The same as you have Ahmad Ali and Musa Ali and Musa Yusuf. So did I answer you, my friend? Did you hear my answer? Did you hear my answer?
I have
Mute YouTube. Mute YouTube.
Look at you. Look at you. I'm asking you a question and you are abusing me. You don't even know who is talking to you.
I answered you. You are not the one that's answering. I answered you. I said to you, we have, shut up. You see, this why you don't listen. If we keep talking at the same time, if you don't want to talk, and if we give no chance to talk, there's no need to talk. Are you going to give me a chance to talk?
If this is the Christianity you are inviting,
yes, this is a Christianity. In here we spank people. This is Christianity. This is what Jesus did. Jesus, he called people like you the son of vipers, liars. You follow your father, the devil. This is what Jesus said. You want to show you the verses? Now I'm asking you. You are a Muslim who says to us that you have God who provide. Shut up, you idiot! You will not let me talk, you donkey. What kind of conversation this conversation is? I want you to record my voice, and by the way, you do not need to record. You can take the video from here, and I challenge the Muslim to post my video in their pages. It's a challenge. Why you keep calling me? You will not let me talk. You will let me talk.
Can you imagine?
You will let me talk.
I'm asking you a question and you are abusing me. If this is the
I
question,
answered you. I answered you.
It.
I have. Okay. Hold on. Are you going to let me talk or not?
You are on the wrong path.
Are you going to let me talk or not?
Because someone is asking you questions.
Are you going to let me talk or not?
People asking you because you are abusing them, insulting their God. Is this what you are taught?
Yes, this is what I taught. Yes, this is what I taught. Yes, because your God, you donkey. Don't call me again. Don't talk about insult, you filthy coward. Your God, he called us kuffar. Your God called us pigs. Your God called us monkeys. Your God called us najas. Your God called us worst of the creatures. And then you are talking to me that you are a person who have a good manner. I did not call you kafir. I did not call you pig. I did not call you monkey. I did not call you worst of creatures. I call you donkey. And as you see, your prophet himself, he is saying, he is warning you, if you raise your head before a Christian prince, Allah will make your head the head of a donkey. You scream too much to avoid the topic. You ask me which book of those books are the true Bible. I answered you, you are a fool. Those are translations. None of them is the true Bible. For this is a translation. This is a translation, not the manuscript. The same as Yusuf Ali is a translation. The same as Biktal is a translation. You are a certified donkey, not only a donkey. Same time, if we ask the Muslims, the Quran we have in front of us, this is the Quran of who? They say this is the Quran according to Uthman. But guess what? Even the book of Uthman, they don't have it. Not a single Muslim have the book of Uthman. Let me show you something. I will show you what is written in the Quran. That this book is according to, nothing but according to, but nobody have the book of Uthman. Not a single Muslim have it. They have recitation of a guy, his name is Hafs, which a guy, he came 200 years after Muhammad. And by the way, even the book of Hafs does not exist. This is according to the recitation of Hafs. But let me show you what is written in the Quran. I'm looking for the page in Arabic so we can read together and everybody will laugh. Here we go. Read and laugh with me. رواية هذا المصحف ومصطلحات رسمه وضبطه. According كتب هذا المصحف الكريم وضبط على ما يوافق رواية حفص. رواية حفص, the tale of Hafs. The tale of who? Hafs. Who is Hafs? Hafs, according to Muslims, and all Muslims agree, accused to be a fraud, a liar, a scammer, and a thief. Not only that, according to Hafs ibn Sulaiman ibn al-Mughira al-Asadi al-Kufi, لقراءة عاصف, according to the reading of Asim. Who is Asim? The same scumbag. Asim is the stepfather of Hafs. Asim was accused to be a fraud, a thief, and not only that, both of them, Hafs and Asim, their hadith is rejected because they are certified liars. What is the Quran? And then they continue saying, according to Abi Abdul Rahman Abdullah al-Asadi al-Kufi, according to Sulaiman al-Mughira Asad al-Kufi, according to Asim ibn Abi Nujud al-Kufi, according to Abi Abdullah Abdul Rahman ibn Habib al-Sulma, according to Uthman, according to Ali, according Zayd ibn Thabit, according to the Prophet, according to, but we don't have zero of those books, not even one. And the disaster is not only here. The disaster is that the Quran says that Allah forbid the Muslims from collecting the Quran. Do you know that? The Quran forbid any Muslim from collecting anything. It's called Quran. If we go in the Quran, we will find the following. Read and laugh. Inna alayna jam'uhu wa Qur'anuh. Allah, He said, it is on us to collect the Quran. Chapter 75, verse number 17. It is not on Uthman. It is not the duty of the Muslims. Allah forbid the Muslims from collecting the Quran. Allah, He promised the Muslims that He is the one who will collect it. And you see here between two brackets they say in your heart, it doesn't say that. Because the Muslims, they try to explain how Allah will collect the Quran. He never did. So they have to add between two brackets. In Arabic it says nothing about that. Inna alayna jam'uhu wa Qur'anahu. Same time, the Muslim, they say and they claim that the Quran is collected in the heart of the believers. Muhammad himself, he forgot Quran. And I can show you tons of examples how Muhammad forget the Quran. By the way, not only I will show you the hadith, I will show you the Quran confirm that even Muhammad and the Muslims, they forget the Quran. Let me get you the reference. I'm trying just to find it for you in English, so they will not say we are making things up. Here we go. A Muslim, he remind him of verses on Quran and chapters he forgot. This is the Prophet of Islam himself forgetting the Quran. But guess what? This is Sahih Hadith. What does that mean? That means Muhammad is a scam. Why? Because there's a verse in the Quran, it says, سَنُقْرُؤُكَ فَلَا تَنْسَى. We are going to give you Quran and you will never forget. Chapter 87, verse number 6. Do you see it, guys? Muhammad, he claimed that his God promised him that he will give him Quran and he will never forgive the Quran. My friend Asani, yeah, we make money here. I am like your prophet who said, if you want to see the prophet in the private, you have to pay him money. Did you pay me to call me? You see how low they are? You talk about money, all your religion is about money. Even your God, Allah, he beg for money. And he says, if you pay him money, he forgive your sin. I forgive sin for nobody. And did you pay me to speak to me, Latif? How Latif you are. Let us see what Muhammad he said. As long you are talking about money and expose the scam of your prophet. Chapter 9, verse number 103. It says, of their goods take alms, so thou mightst purify and sanctify them and pray in their behalf. Are you talking about money? If you pay your prophet, he will pray in your behalf. God prophet, if I pay him, he will pray in my behalf and he will sanctify me. Isn't it obvious that this is a scam? What do you say? No, I will give you a chance to call me if you are willing to talk about money. Is that correct, guys? I will give you a chance. First of all, you have to promise me two things. We don't talk in the same time. If I talk, you stop talking, and I will give you time to talk. All right? And that will be fair. Is that fair, guys? And I want you, I will go back to 0. I will put the reference for in front of us in Arabic, and I want you to read for us in Arabic. We will start from there. Do you agree? Are you brave enough to say I agree? Say yes, and I will unblock you. Say yes. Say yes. I'm waiting for you. Say yes, be a man. Hello? No, there's no unjust block me. I want you to promise me that you will read for me what you asked me to show you, and you promise me that we will not talk in the same time over each other. I will give you time to talk. I promise in front of everybody. I will give you 2 minutes to talk, 1 minute for me. Do you accept? Do you accept? You don't talk over me, I don't talk over you. No, don't tell me I promise. Don't tell me I promise. Don't tell me just pick up. What was your name? Let me search for your name. Okay, he said okay, guys. So he promised. Call me. Go ahead. Call me. And you start reading for us. The Arabic, you claim that you know Arabic. All right, we hear you. I'm going to give you 2 minutes, and I will not talk during those 2 minutes. Do you hear me?
Hello. Let me just
okay.
Let me talk something.
Do you hear me? Do you hear me?
The system I'm using to watch. The system I'm using to watch is off. I'm using my phone to chat.
No problem.
Hello.
No problem.
So I cannot see anymore. I cannot see. Let's just talk. I have proofs.
No problem. I can give you the link. No. Hold on. I can give you the link to your text, to your Skype, and you can open it there. There's no problem. Let me give you the link.
I have just one. I have just a phone. My system is
doesn't
off.
matter. You can open. No, you can open the link there, and you can read from there. Do you want to send you a snapshot
from my phone? This same phone?
I can send you to your phone. Yes, a snapshot in the Skype. Aren't you in Skype?
Okay.
We're talking Skype.
Yeah, let's go. Yeah,
okay.
yeah. Let's do.
All right, here we go.
Yeah.
Let me send you a snapshot, and you read for me from the snapshot. All right. Okay. Here we go. This is the snapshot. Open it and read it.
Waiting. I've not seen it.
It's there.
I will see it. I'm still here. I've not seen anything.
Friend, I send it to you. It is in your Skype. Stop playing games.
I'm not playing. I'm serious. God made me a Muslim.
You were in YouTube a second ago, and you were texting, and YouTube is running. Now you cannot see it.
Listen, I can't watch you again. I'm using the same phone.
Okay.
I'm using the same phone.
No problem. I will give you. No, let us do this. I will give you a chance. I will hang up on you. You take a snapshot yourself from YouTube, and you call me back.
Okay. Okay.
All right. It's in front of you. I send you the snapshot. You can't say I did not send it to you. As you see. Waiting for you. Let us see for how long he will keep his promise not to shout and speak over me. Go ahead.
Please, I want to teach me something. I can view it now. But when I'm calling now, I can't view anymore. Teach me that. I can't view.
How you were able before to read the verses I was showing you in the Quran before?
Yeah, that's what I told you now. That's what I told you. I'm using a system.
No, my friend, I was showing you the verses. You were saying to me, show me, and I showed you, and you were reading for me. Now suddenly you cannot see.
Yes, I can't lie. Me, I am a good Muslim. I don't lie. I'm using a Lenovo system to read.
Okay.
Now the Lenovo battery is
I gave
gone.
you a link. I gave you a link. Did you open the link?
Yeah, this is now when I caught now. I saw it on my Snapchat. I can view. Now that I'm calling now, I can't view anymore. That's what I'm saying. If I can do it, just tell me. Let me do it.
Isn't it YouTube open for you? Just hide the Skype and you look on YouTube. You will see it. How you were looking before?
Okay.
How you were seeing the sky, the verses I was showing you before?
Yeah, I'm watching you at the same time. I'm using my phone to call. I'm using the phone to call.
I know you were using your phone when you called me before too, and you were showing the verses and you were reading for me the verses, and you are the one who said to me, "Show me in Arabic." Remember, I showed it to you in English, and then you said to me, "Show me in Arabic," and then you were able to read it. So now, how come you cannot see it?
Do you understand?
My friend, you are a liar. You do not know Arabic. Just say I do not know Arabic. Just say I do not know Arabic. Say it.
Hello.
I don't
want to argue.
Do you know Arabic or not? Be honest. Do you know Arabic or not?
I know Arabic. I go to Arabic school.
All right, no problem. I want you to open At-Tabari, Tafsir At-Tabari, to the verse we are talking about.
Okay. Tabari.
And read it for us. Here we go. In Arabic.
Why are you like this? Why are you like this? Why are you like this? I told you something.
Just get lost. Suddenly he cannot see it now. Go guys and watch the video. I was showing him in the screen. I was highlighting in the screen. He asked me to switch from English to Arabic. He can see it perfectly, and now he cannot see it. The whole idea is he will make me just give up and say, okay, forget about it. Taqiyya. How you were saying to me before, move it here, okay, show me the Arabic, okay, show me the English. Oh, here we go, it's in the front of you, it says in English, and you start reading for me. Suddenly now you cannot read it. Not only that, I showed him the same page. He asked a guy to come and read. I heard his voice, and then he started playing recording for us. He was showing the guy. We heard him. Hypocrite liars.